Emily from MrsPleasant.net, and today we're going to be making a basic hummus. The first thing is it's a can of chickpeas that have been rinsed, about a cup of tahini, a third of a cup of the water from the can of chickpeas, about 2 tablespoons of oil, and salt and pepper for flavor. So the first thing is we're putting in our chickpeas into the food processor. This is a great party appetizer. You can put it on crostini. I love it also in sandwiches as a spread with some avocado. The other great thing about hummus is that you can flavor it pretty much however you want. I make roasted red pepper hummus a lot. You can do olive hummus, dill hummus. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And just a pinch of salt and a couple rounds of olive oil. This is great too because it's a really good high protein food as well. So we're going to just food process it for a bit. You're going to want to stop it and scrape down the sides as you do this. The other nice thing is that if you happen to not have a food processor, you can also just use a regular potato masher and mash it up, and it'll be a more chunky texture, but just as good. So we're going to food process a little bit more. Scrape down the sides one last time and give it one last spin. And my favorite way to have this is, again, on a sandwich, but I also just love grabbing some veggies, cutting up some veggies, and just dipping it in my hummus. Or even it's really nice on cucumbers as well. So there you have it. It's a basic chickpea hummus. Thanks, I'm Emily.